Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix your Facebook shortcut bar not showing. If you are not able to find your shortcut bar on the Facebook, make sure to stick till the end and watch the video. Now without any further ado, let's start the video. First of all, launch the Facebook app on your device and then make sure they are logged into your account. Now the shortcut bar on the Facebook is the bar that you see on the top of your screen, which includes the home icon, friend request, marketplace, or your profile, or the notification bell, and then the three-line icon. So that is what shortcut bar on the Facebook. Now in order to view all your shortcuts, tap on three-line icon from the upper right corner, and in there you will be able to see all your shortcuts right on your screen. Now in order to customize your shortcut bar, tap on your gear icon from the upper right corner. And now in here, scroll down on the preference section. Facebook calls shortcut bar as a navigation bar. So tap on navigation bar, and in here you can customize the bar. Tap and customize the bar. You can customize all your shortcuts on the shortcut bar, where you can pin up to 3 shortcuts. For example, if you want to pin friend request, tap on the option that says auto. A drop down menu will pop up, and in there if you tap on pin, friend request will be pinned in your shortcut bar. Likewise, you can do the same the others as well. If you want to hide from the shortcut bar, if you tap on auto again and say hide, the gaming shortcut will be hidden from my shortcut bar. So that is how you can simply customize your shortcut bar, and if you are missing out any shortcut, you can simply add that to shortcut bar. To see your updated shortcut bar, again go back to your profile, and in here at the top of the screen you will see all your shortcuts. So that is how you can simply fix the shortcut bar missing on your profile. I hope this tutorial helped you. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.